What is up, guys? Today I'm coming at you with another stock analysis Today we're going to be looking at this stock that I'm definitely going to be buying for the next couple of weeks and see where it's at. It's currently in the $30 range, and I think this stock is definitely a strong buy. At the moment, it's down from its all-time lows, and if you've ever heard of this stock, you definitely know that this stock is a high growth stock that is currently trading at extremely low levels. I mean, this stock should not be anywhere near the 30s. They just crushed their earnings, and it is absurd how low and cheap of a stock this is. This stock is Celsius Holdings, of course, and if you know anything about it, then you know that it's a buy. It's always a buy. I mean, $32. This stock is set up in such a good place right now where if you buy right now, you're always going to make money on the stock. Always. I mean, $32, this is extremely cheap. Now, we're going to be going over my bear base bull case as to why I think Celsius is currently a strong buy. Just personally for me, I'm definitely going to be buying this stock as a 20-year-old in college. This is definitely what I want my money in right now. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. If you're, my age, older, guy, girl, whatever, doesn't matter. We should all know how to invest, and I'm going to show you guys why I think Celsius is a great investment to compound your money in. And we're going to go over the bear bull case real quick. So, yeah. So as we can see, I have very conservative numbers for revenue growth. I mean, 15, 14, 12%. This is base, very base case. I mean, net income growth, 60%, 35%. This is extremely base case. I mean, and if you guys want to know what website I'm using, I'm currently working on my own website. It's going to be called Jay's Stock Tracker when I'm done. It's currently not perfect. It's not fully built, but if you guys like what you're seeing, it has its own projections, AI insights, portfolio dashboard. Let me know if you guys want a website like this where you can pay a monthly subscription of $5 or $9, however much I decide to make it, and get the benefits of this analysis where you can run your own numbers. It's definitely a great website that I've been building, and if you guys want to learn more about it, let me know in the description, and when I'm fully done with building it, then I'll let you guys know. And if you guys want to see it, want to use it for free, or however much you guys think it should be, let me know. I'll put a link in the description when I'm done building it in all of my videos in future cases, but for now it's definitely still in prototype. But this is what I'm using to run my numbers, and as we can see in bear case, you can see the CAGR numbers all below. We see the share price lows, highs, and I actually have this extreme base case where I have Celsius in the 70s by 2031, 60s by 2030. Now, I know you're thinking, oh wow, 100% increase by the time it's 2030. That's lame. I know. This is extreme base case. We could go over here to my bear case. This is extreme bear. This isn't going to happen. I mean, this is not going to happen. There's no way this happens to Celsius. The rate at which Celsius is growing, and I'll go over the catalyst as to why there's no reason why the PE will ever be this low, or why net income or revenue growth is 8%. I mean, come on. This is a multi-billion-dollar company. Their revenue is never going to grow 8%, especially with the catalyst that I'm going to mention in a few moments as to why Celsius is a strong buy. This share price is just absurd. $20, I mean, no, that's not going to happen. Okay, so bull case, this is where things get interesting. This bull case, this is really my base case, but I'm calling it a bull case because if you know anything about investing in stocks, then you're like, oh, revenue growth's never going to grow 22%. Yes, it is. And let me tell you why. Net income growth, 90%. I mean, this is base bull case. I mean, and if we look at the numbers, these numbers are insane. Look at these numbers. $30 on the low end for 2027. I mean, it's currently trading at 32. This is like base bull case. I mean, if we run the numbers, $43 by 2027, and then we keep compounding, we keep growing, Celsius keeps growing, 156 share price. I mean, a 5x, 500% increase in your money by 2031. I mean, keep in mind, all of this can run up. This can happen by 2028, 2029, if we keep that in mind. With how the market likes to run, once a stock gets on a run, I've seen it before. I've seen it before with other stocks like AMD. Once a stock gets on a run, like a growth stock like Celsius, then it gets on a run. I mean, we could be at 65 by the end of 2026. And then by 2027, we could be at 90. And then by 2028, we could be at 120. I mean, stuff like this, once it pops, it pops. And I like what I'm seeing in Celsius. If you know anything about the numbers, then Celsius is currently growing at an insane rate. It's insane. It's absurd how fast the stock is growing. I mean, if we're looking at revenue, this isn't the actual revenue, but if we looked at the revenue chart, it's similar to this in the past couple of years where it's just growing, billion. So it's just insane how cheaply priced. I mean, they absolutely hit the ball out of the park with their most recent earnings. $32. There is no reason why Celsius should be $32 right now after earnings. There is no reason. So if we actually want to take a look at the stock price, ooh, that's right. So yeah, after hours it's up a little, but down 5% in today, just on Friday. I mean, that's absurd. That is absurd. If we look at the historical, the 5 year, I mean, come on. That's $93. 93, and then we keep going back, 90, yeah, still 93. That's the highest, right? But it's insane how lowly priced this stock is right now. I mean, it was just in the 60s. And yeah, they had high operating costs. I'll give them that. But I mean, EPS beat 39%, revenue beat 1.7%. I mean, come on. The market loves to do this. They love to, when they see a stock like this, they don't know what's going to happen. They're scared. Oh, what if it doesn't beat earnings? It just beat earnings. It has higher operating costs because of their acquisition of Alani Nu. And I just see no reason as to why Celsius stock is trading at where it's at. So I think this is definitely a buy in the 30 to 40 range. Anywhere from there, it's definitely a strong buy. You're definitely going to double, triple your money if you hold it. And then if we just go over to Monster over here, I mean, look at this. It's up. It was up 13%. It beat its EPS by 2%. Revenue beat by 4%. That's quarter four. Q1. Look at that. Year over year revenue. Okay, they did good there. They did good there with that revenue. But I mean, Celsius it's up and coming. I mean, the things that their CEO is going to do for this company, it's absurd. It is absurd. Energy drinks, just in general. I mean, if you want to do a side bet, a little side, what's the word? You want to make sure your money's safe, then buy Monster with Celsius, and you could buy both as a hedge. That's the word I was looking for, hedging it. If you want to hedge Celsius with a couple of Monster shares, because energy drinks in general, they're going to pop. They've just been popping. And over here, I have another growth case, 30%, 28, 25. This is just another growth case that I ran through AI to see where Celsius stock can be. And if we look at the numbers, like, what was it suggesting? 150, 90, 50, 40, 30 for net income growth, right? Yeah, it's 120, 150. We'll go 130, more conservative. And then it had revenue at 30%. Yeah, 30%. 28, 26, 20, 18. And then, oh my, guys. I mean, come on. I didn't even change the PE yet. I have to change the PE, 45, 70. I mean, this is extreme bull case. This is not, if this happens, it's insane. But this is extreme bull case if this happens. But yeah, this is extremely bullish. This isn't gonna happen. But like, if we just put like the most insane bull case, extremely bullish, everything goes right, revenue, insane net income growth, revenue growth. I mean, look at this, guys. It's just undeniable. It's a buy. Look at the CAGR growth. I mean, come on. You'd have to be insane to not buy Celsius. That's it. It's a buy. It's just a buy all day. Buy 30 to 40. I'm definitely going to be buying more on Friday if it's still in this 30ish range. Now, I suspect by, let's say, end of summer, next quarter earnings comes out, and analysts realize, oh, Celsius isn't stopping. Alani knew it's not stopping. Their acquisition, their distribution with PepsiCo, it's not stopping. Once they get an international foothold, revenue climbs even more. It's not stopping. I just I see the fundamentals. I know what happens once a stock hits numbers like these, and I know the growth. So, yeah, this is my case for why I think Celsius is the next buy. Who knows how high I can run up to? I know for sure that I will be doubling my money within the next year with Celsius. So, yeah, this is definitely just a buy for me. That's all I have for Celsius for today. But if you guys wanna learn more about stocks, wanna learn more about what I think is definitely a buy in the stock market right now, then make sure to hit a follow, a like, subscribe, all that, and catch me on the next video. I'm gonna be uploading a couple more videos about my next buys. I think I'm gonna do like 5 stocks to buy in May, and then just monthly uploads of like the top 5 stocks to buy within every month after earnings. There's definitely another stock that I'm really excited about. It's been talked about on Wall Street for a while now. CNBC was talking about it. So if you want to find out what that stock is in the next video, I think that stock, I mean, Celsius, it's a good buy. I think this next stock that I'm going to talk about in my next video, it's an insane buy where that next stock is at. So if you want to find out what that next stock is in the next video, and if you liked this video, make sure to follow. And I'll see you guys later.